Delhi Meerut Rapid Rail, first Make in India RRTS train reaches Ghaziabad, trials to begin soon. The first train set of RRTS was handed over to the NCRTC on May 7 at an event organized at the manufacturing unit in Savli in the Vadodara district. Duhai Depot is gearing up for the arrival of the train. Alstom has been awarded the contract of manufacturing the RRTS trains. For the maintenance of the RRTS trains, 11 stabling lines, 2 workshop lines, and 3 IBL are being constructed. The first set of India-made semi-high-speed train under the Rapid Rail Transit System (RRTS) has reached Duhai Depot in Ghaziabad. Made by Alstom, the train set was dispatched from Savli in Gujarat on June 3 and has been received by National Capital Region Transport Corporation (NCRTC) on Monday after travelling by road for 10 days. India's first RRTS, a rail-based, high-speed, high-frequency regional commuter transport system, is being built by NCRTC and will connect Delhi and Meerut on the Sarai Kale Khan Ghaziabad Meerut RRTS corridor. The aerodynamic RRTS train set was loaded on a trailer at the manufacturing factory of Alstom in Gujarat and will be brought to the Duhai Depot in Ghaziabad via road, the NCRTC statement said. The first train set of RRTS was handed over to the NCRTC on May 7 at an event organized at the manufacturing unit in Savli in the Vadodara district. RRTS updates at official NCRTC has received its first semi-high-speed, Make in India, train set at Duhai Depot today. The train was supplied by at Alstom India and manufactured at Savli Cork Facility Centre, Vadodara, Gujarat. The statement said the Duhai Depot is gearing up for its arrival. The tracks have been laid out, shades have been prepared for the workshop, and preparations are being made for the testing of the train at the depot. For the operation of the RRTS trains, an administrative building has also been constructed at the depot, the statement read. It added that for the testing and the maintenance of the RRTS trains, 11 stabling lines, 2 workshop lines, and 3 internal bay lines (IBL) are being constructed. Alstom has been awarded the contract of manufacturing the RRTS trains under Make in India, as per which they would be delivering 40 train sets, including 10 3-car train sets for Meerut Metro, bundled with rolling stock maintenance for 15 years, the statement said. The 17-cum priority section between Sahibabad and Duhai is targeted to be commissioned by 2023 and the full corridor by 2025.